You don't need to be a carpenter to build something amazing with wood. In fact, you can create beautiful, practical, and even profitable pieces right from your home. No fancy tools or workshop required. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 incredible woodworking projects that anyone can build, even as a complete beginner. So if you've ever dreamed of creating your own furniture or decorations, or simply want to get your hands dirty and bring something to life with wood, stay with me. These ideas might just spark a new hobby, or a passion you didn't even know you had. Let's get started. Let's begin with something elegant, compact, and super useful, a wall-mounted wine rack. This is the perfect starter project because it doesn't require complex cuts or advanced tools. You only need a wooden plank, a drill, some screws, and sandpaper. You'll cut the plank into a few sections. Drill angled slots or use small holders to support the bottles and sand the surface smooth. After applying a wood stain or finish, you'll have a minimalist and eye-catching wine rack, one that adds charm to your kitchen or dining space. Materials you'll need: a single wooden plank, pine or cedar works great. Drill and screws. Wall mounting hardware: sandpaper, wood stain or finish. Pro tips: use masking tape while drilling to avoid wood splinters. A darker stain gives it a modern, upscale look. This also makes a fantastic gift for friends or family. Project number 2 is something both functional and portable: a foldable rustic bench. This bench is perfect for your front porch, your backyard, or to take with you on camping trips. It has a rustic look but folds neatly for easy storage. All it takes are a few planks of 2x4 wood, some hinges, screws, and wood glue. You'll cut the seat and leg pieces, attach the hinges to create the folding mechanism, and secure everything with glue and screws. Once it's sanded and finished, you've got yourself a sturdy seat, made by your own hands. Materials: 2x4 planks, hinges, screws, and wood glue. Optional: clear sealant or stain for outdoor use. Pro tips: test the folding function before final assembly to make sure it moves freely. Add your own personal touch with a wood burn name or painted design. Our third project is a popular one for a reason: floating shelves. These shelves give a clean, modern look because the brackets are hidden behind the wood. They're perfect for books, plants, kitchenware, or collectibles. To make them, cut a board to size, sand it smooth, and attach concealed brackets to the wall. Then slide the board into place over the bracket and secure it. What you'll need: wooden boards 12 to 18 inches long, hidden brackets or floating shelf hardware, drill and level. Wall anchors. Pro tips: use a stud finder to locate secure anchor points. Seal the wood with a matte finish for a clean look. You can also build a series of shelves at different lengths for a dynamic wall display. Now let's get a little more creative. The pallet coffee table. This one has a rustic, industrial look, and it's incredibly budget-friendly. You'll start by finding 2 or 3 clean wood pallets. Sand them down thoroughly. Stack them, secure with screws or brackets, and optionally add wheels or legs. You can leave the top open, or add a glass sheet for a smooth surface. Materials: 2 to 3 wood pallets. Look for ones marked HT for heat-treated, sander, or sandpaper. Screws or wood glue. Optional: caster wheels or steel legs. Pro tips: always clean the pallets thoroughly. Avoid those with chemical stains or strong odors. Adding a clear varnish enhances the grain and protects the surface. Want a personal touch? Use stencils to paint numbers or patterns on top. Project 5 is where function meets design. Hexagon wall shelves. These shelves are shaped like honeycombs and can be combined for a modern geometric effect. They're lightweight, visually interesting, and surprisingly easy to make. You'll cut equal-length pieces with 30-degree angles on each side. Use wood glue and clamps to form a hexagon, then reinforce with small nails. Once finished, they mount easily on any wall. Materials: wood planks, miter saw or hand saw, wood glue and nails. Sandpaper. Wall mounting hardware. Pro tips: use a cardboard template to keep angles consistent. Paint the inside of each hexagon with a bold color to create contrast. Stack multiple shelves for an eye-catching art piece. So let's recap. 1. Wall-mounted wine rack. Small, stylish, and perfect for beginners. 2. Foldable rustic bench. Practical and portable. 3. Floating shelves. Clean design with hidden hardware. 4. Pallet, coffee table. Rustic, affordable, and bold. 5. Hexagon wall shelves. Functional art for your space. These projects are more than just fun weekend builds. They're about building confidence, learning to work with your hands, and bringing your ideas into the real world. You don't need a workshop. You don't need expensive tools. All you need is the desire to create something real. So what now? Choose just one of these projects and commit to starting it this week. Don't wait for the perfect time. Progress starts with action. And if you want full instructions, material lists, and guided tutorials, click the link in the description. I've put together a free beginner's guide to help you build each of these projects step by step. And hey, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving it a like. That way, we can bring you even more ideas, tips, and motivation to keep building. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking!